In this video we will see how and when to use the getMemoryPage and setMemoryPage commands. These two commands must always be combined with each other. They are used to make sure that, for example, if I make a macro and I want to be sure that the macro is executed and then I go back to the page where was I before running the macro, I have to use these two commands combined with each other. For example, I am on the color page. I want to create a macro that does some operations on the edit page and then I go back to the color page. Or, in any other page, it does some operations on the edit page and then returns to the page where I am. So let's do it this way. setMemoryPage. I go to create a new command and I want a speed of 50% to be applied to the clip in which I am. Then, an optical flow is applied to the clip where I am positioned. And then it must return to the page where we were. So let's analyze this macro. It memorizes the current page. It positions itself on the edit page. It applies a speed change of 50%. It applies the optical flow. And then returns to the page where we started the macro. Let's try it. We have seen that it moved to the edit page, applied the speed, applied the optical flux and returned to the color page. But this, even if we were on the media pool, we click on the macro, it does the same thing. It applies the macro and moves to the page where we were at the beginning. So, recapitulating, the getMemoryPage and setMemoryPage commands are used to memorize the page in which we are, to be able to go back to the end of a macro.